Good afternoon, this is Dan Howe with your PTI Securities Daily Wrap-Up for Thursday, August 11th. Another huge day. This one happens to be to the upside. Overnight, the equity ranges were 40 plus, up and down overnight S&P trading. The Asian markets were kind of mixed in Asia, but they were down in Europe. Before the opening, we did have the jobs number. The jobs number came in a little bit better than expected, a decrease from the previous week. But the real news is there really wasn't any bad rumors coming out of Europe. So we started up and we kept going. So basically the Dow closed up 422 to 11,142. The SPX closed up 51 to 11,72. The NASDAQ closed up 111. The 10-year note actually decreased, and therefore the yields went up. The news of the day on the bond market was that the 30-year auction really was not very well received. So the huge demand for bonds that we've seen the last 4 or 5 days in the down markets seemed to abet a little bit. So therefore the bonds sold off pretty good, and the 10-year note also followed along with it. The dollar weakened slightly today, which was also kind of nice. So realistically, we had a very, very good day, but you never get the feeling that the next day is going to be going the same direction, certainly the last couple of weeks. Coming up tomorrow, not much in the way of news. There is Michigan sentiment, but realistically, domestic fundamental data really hasn't meant much the last week and a half. Maybe if we don't have any more rumors tomorrow, it will. This has been Dan Howe from PTI Securities and Futures.